Do you truly love the Lord above all in life, more than phones or clothes?